are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American singer, rapper and songwriter. How do you go about saying this name? Some people say it as six-lack, also slack. I've also heard six-pack, or also lack of sex, because there's never enough sex in our life, is there? But no, it's way simpler than this. It's simply black. Yeah, not sure why the 6 is a B, but it's how it is said, black. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more music celebrity names and stage names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.